Good Tuesday afternoon. This is the Loudoun County Weather Outlook for Tuesday. It is January 29th, 2025. We're almost 1/12 through the year, so time is a-flying. Christmas will be here soon. I'm a Christmas lover, so that's why I mentioned that. Anyway, let's get on with our overall weather. It is warm today and windy. It is definitely warmer than I thought it would be. Already up, seemed like 56, 57 degrees here. So a few 60s would seem to be possible. Winds will pick up this afternoon. We have a wind advisory in effect. We should see winds gusting up to near 50 miles per hour at times, maybe even a little bit higher. We'll have to see, especially western Loudoun in the mountains or the ridge tops there. So anyway, take it easy. And yeah, it's trash day for a lot of people, including me. I'm hoping the trash gets picked up before the wind takes all that trash and throws it everywhere. But warm. Tonight front will come through and get a little cooler the next couple of days. But we're also going to see rain, and boy, do we need the rain. Rain is coming. This could be a soaker. We should see a good amount of rain, maybe 3/4 of an inch, maybe 1.25 inches, depending on how things pan out. Then we will dry up for the weekend and be in the 40s, so it's a pretty nice weekend ahead. Time to get out, maybe get down those Christmas decorations, which is my plan for outside, and prepares us for a pretty warm week next week. And we'll look into some interesting things that are showing up on the models in the medium and long range here. But anyway, just want to give you a quick overview of kind of what's happening. And I jumped the model way ahead. Now, because we're later in the day, I'm showing you the later noon run of the ISC, the GFS here. So moving forward, this is us today. This is all the windy weather we're experiencing. The winds are from the west, which is causing downsloping off the mountains. That's why it's so warm. When air comes down the mountains, it does warm up because it compresses. Here comes some moisture for the weekend. Friday into, Thursday night into Friday. By the weekend, that moves through. Still breezy though, so pretty windy as we head into Saturday, but not too bad weather-wise. Temperature-wise, we're going to be feeling pretty good. I mean, low to mid 40s. That's very seasonable for this time of year. The winds will make it feel cooler. Sunday may be the better day with less wind around. And as we wait for football in a week after that, because of Super Bowl, or no football is being shown here. This is showing me a little bit of cold air damping. So cold air is coming down to the east side of the mountains here. You can see the sagging of these lines. That's kind of what that indicates. High pressure is coming around like this, and the winds are getting funneled down the east side of the mountains. So what that does is, because we're close to the boundaries between cold and warm, as you see as we go through this week, and even some windy conditions at times, we could get a return flow system. We do, and there's enough cold air around, we may see some mixing. So that's what this is showing next Thursday. Between the 6th and the 10th, there's been kind of like this open-ended, will we have wintry weather kind of idea. I hope this doesn't come true. I don't want ice. I could care less about ice. Don't mind snow, but ice is just boring. And that's a pretty good icing, by the way, which shows up there on the models. I think things will change. Hopefully less icy. Don't mind if it's more rainy, if ice is the option that we have. Then we stay, mild. It's not cold. It's not super warm until we get later in this period. This is strong southerly southwesterly winds. So this looks like 60s to me. So would not be surprised if 60s into the forecast. I mean, even today, we almost got up to 60. So would not be surprised if 60s get into the forecast of the long range. After that, some cold air looks like it infiltrates the region, and then maybe we'll have to watch for storming this afternoon. It's a pretty good high-pressure system. We're right along the boundary. What this does allow is for long overrunning events where we could get snow. So we'll have to see. So from the 10th on, there's probably the next chance for a real window for true wintry weather. But we're going to watch for the sneaky situation next week. All right, so I talked a lot at the beginning. Just to summarize, windy today. Things will blow around, may lose some power here and there. More rain, good rain, soaking rain on Friday. We need it, so it's good. We'll wash a lot of the salt down the rain as well, which is good. Then Saturday looks windy, but seasonable. Sunday, a little bit warmer. Next week, we will kind of ride the line, so maybe 40s, 50s, and then we'll watch for some wintry potential mayhem around the 6th, but I'm not thinking it's very likely. And then beyond that, we could warm up significantly before we really cool off around the 10th. All right, that's your summary. It's been your Loudoun County Weather Outlook for Tuesday. Hope you have an awesome day, and get ready to Go retrieve your trash cans as soon as possible before they blow down the street. Have a good one.